Iteration is the process of repeating a specific set of instructions to achieve a particular purpose. One common purpose of iteration is to retrieve or process data stored in collections such as arrays, lists, or strings. With iteration, it is possible to access each element in a collection one by one without writing separate code for each item. This repeated process automates tasks like displaying data, calculating totals, or applying logic to every item in a sequence. Instead of manually handling each element, iteration allows a program to manage them consistently and efficiently. It ensures that the same operation can be applied to all items, regardless of the collection size.